Welcome to our guide on filing taxes for expats. In this presentation, we'll explore the unique tax challenges and opportunities for those living and working abroad. Whether you're a seasoned expat or just starting your journey, understanding these rules can help you navigate your tax obligations efficiently. So, what exactly is an expat? An expat, or expatriate, is someone who lives outside their home country, often for work or personal reasons. As an expat, you may have tax obligations in both your host country and your home country. In this session, we'll break down the basics and help you understand where you need to file and why. Foreign earned income is a key concept for expats. This is the income you earn while working in a foreign country. It includes wages, salaries, and even self-employment income. Understanding what qualifies as foreign earned income is crucial for determining your tax liability. There are also specific exclusions, like the foreign earned income exclusion and the foreign housing exclusion, which can significantly reduce your taxable income. To qualify as foreign earned income, the income must be earned for services you perform in a foreign country. This applies during periods when you meet either the bona fide residence test or the physical presence test. We'll dive deeper into these tests shortly to clarify how they apply to your situation. There are two main exclusions to consider, the foreign housing exclusion and the foreign tax credit. The foreign housing exclusion allows you to exclude a portion of your housing expenses from your taxable income, which can lead to significant savings. The foreign tax credit, on the other hand, lets you claim a credit for taxes paid to a foreign government, helping to avoid double taxation. The residency test is critical for determining eligibility for the foreign earned income exclusion. There are two types, the physical presence test and the bona fide residence test. Both are used to confirm that you genuinely reside in a foreign country and qualify for these tax benefits. To pass the residency test, you must establish a tax home in a foreign country and meet either the bona fide residence test or the physical presence test. The bona fide residence test requires you to maintain a residence in a foreign country for an uninterrupted period, while the physical presence test requires you to spend a specific amount of time outside the U.S. We'll explain how these tests work and what documentation you'll need. Calculating residency involves determining if you meet either the bona fide residence or the physical presence test. For instance, the bona fide residence test requires you to have a consistent residence in a foreign country for an entire calendar year. The physical presence test, however, is based on the number of days you spend outside the U.S. For example, living in a foreign country for 350 days might satisfy the physical presence test, but not necessarily the bona fide residence test. To fulfill the residency test, you need to establish a tax home in a foreign country and meet one of the two residency tests. The bona fide residence test involves maintaining a residence for a full calendar year, while the physical presence test requires that you spend at least 330 full days in a foreign country within a 12-month period. Keeping a precise record of your entry and exit dates is essential for meeting these requirements. When it comes to filing your foreign earned income, you'll need to complete specific forms like Form 2555 to claim the foreign earned income exclusion and Form 1116 to claim the foreign tax credit. Depending on your situation, additional forms may also be required. It's important to gather and complete these forms accurately to ensure compliance and maximize your tax benefits. Navigating taxes as an expat can be complex, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can manage your obligations effectively. If you have any further questions or need personalized advice, feel free to reach out. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide has been helpful in your tax planning journey.